Greetings everybody and welcome to GNED SPED 455555 Classroom Management. In this tutorial I'm going to demonstrate how to navigate through D2L through the course page and also how to access the online modules and complete the online module activities for week 2. To get started in the course, you log on to D2L and you click on the GNED SPED 455555 course, and that'll take you to the Classroom Management homepage. There you will find a table of contents which includes information on the syllabus and provides you with information on the assignments and readings for week 1 to week 8. If you click on the syllabus, you will find information about the course assignment deadlines, course policies, as well as my contact information. If you have any questions regarding the course or classroom assignments, don't hesitate to contact me. So to get started, let's go to week 1. If you click on week 1, that'll take you to week 1 page, which provides you with the week 1 overview, readings for that week, videos, and the assignments for that week. If you click on the assignments, that takes you to the Dropbox where you can upload and submit your assignments. If you want to access your grades, you click on assessments and grades, and that'll take you, and you can look at your current grades for each of the assignments and your overall grade for the course. Those are the only two main tabs that you will be using for this course, along with the table of contents. So let's take a look at week 2 and the assignments for week 2, which is the online module. So if you click on week 2, that takes you again, it's going to be the same format, the week 2 classroom overview, the readings, videos, and assignments that are due for week 2. If you click on the assignments, which is the online module, the online module Classroom Management Part 1, it provides you with instructions on how to access the module and also on what activities you need to complete for that module. Each activity has also the point value on there. That way you know how many points are allocated for each of those activities. So if you click on the module, that takes you to the online module homepage, Classroom Management, Learning the Components of a Comprehensive Behavior Management Plan. To get started, you click on Challenge. There you will have a video. If you click on the video, you can view the video, and then after you're done viewing the video, you click Next. There it will take you to some questions, the initial thoughts questions. Now, if you go back to the assignment details, you have some activities there. The first one says, view the video and respond to the initial thoughts section on the online module. So again, you go back to the online module, look at the video, answer the questions. In order to submit this assignment, what you can do is you can create a Word document. You can copy and paste the required activities. You can copy and paste the required activities onto the Word document. And then you can respond to the questions on your document. So I'm just going to copy and paste the questions from the Dropbox from that assignment. I'm going to copy and paste them to a Word document. And that's how I'm going to submit my paper. So I'm going to go to the online modules and answer each of the questions. So after you view the video, you can copy and paste these questions onto your Word document. and then you would respond to the questions on the Word document. So here would be your response to question 1 and response to question 2. Okay, so let's move on to the next activity. Are you a culturally responsive teacher? Well, after you respond to those questions, you go on to the next page. You read the information. Here it provides you with objectives and standards. The next page provides you again with more information on statistics as well. After you read that information, you go on to the next page, and here you have the activity, are you a culturally responsive teacher, which is the activity on the online module. So if you look at the activities, it says, are you a culturally responsive teacher? It has the page number. So here we are on page 2. You can look to see what page you're on, page 2 of the module, and that's where the activity is at. So here you're going to take a self-assessment. So you do not have to copy and paste this onto the document. Just, answer the questions, and then at the end you'll have a response, and you'll just go back to your Word document, and the way you would respond to that is, according to the self-assessment, the results of the self-assessment determine that I am a culturally responsive teacher because, and then you will provide your response there. Okay, so the next activity, so you move on and you click on next and you keep going through the activities. Here on page 3 you have organizing the classroom. Now you need to click on all of the tabs because some of the tabs will have the activities. For example, here, organizing the classroom. And then it says, to learn more about effectively organizing the classroom, view the IRIS case study. So you click on that and that takes you to the case study. Now if you go back to the assignment, you will need to complete case study level A, case 1, level B, case 1, and level C, case 1. And all you have to do here is it provides you with a case study, and you have to answer the questions provided in that case study. So let's go to case study A, level 1. Here we go. Level A, case 1. So it provides you with information, a brief case study. Here's a classroom organization, and then the questions. If you move on, it says the assignment. So it says, read the star sheets on each of the 3 possible strategies. Given what you've learned from the star sheet, look back at the scenario, identify 3 issues, 1 related to each strategy that may be distracting Edward. So the only thing you're going to do in your document to respond to that question is you're going to go to case study level A, case 1, and then you would write your response here. So you could write, one of the, according to the star sheets, one of the issues that may be distracting Edward would be due to, and then whatever your response is. Okay, so you will continue just, going through each of the activities and then writing your response, and then this is what you would submit to the Dropbox on D2L. So you continue. So the next activity is Comprehensive Behavior Management Plan, Statement of Purpose on page 6. So again, you continue going through the online module as you finish reading each page. And then, so the next activity is on page 6, but make sure you read through all of the pages and all of the information. So if you go to page 6, it talks about the statement of purpose for an action plan. So you would complete this activity, and again, you would write your response. You would go back to your Word document and then just write your response here. Okay? Alrighty, so that's all that I have for you. In order to submit the assignments, you would go again to the D2L homepage, and you can access it directly through the table of contents, week 2. So here we are on week 2. You can access each of the assignments through the table of contents for week 2. You would scroll down to the assignments. You would click on the assignments and upload it through there. Or you can go to the assessments, then you would go to the Dropbox, and this is another way that you can access it. You would click on the assignment you're submitting, which is Classroom Management Part 1. This is the online module. You would click on it and you would upload it onto through the Dropbox. So I hope that this has clarified some of the questions that you've had about uploading and how to submit the online module. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to contact me. Again, my contact information is on the syllabus. Have a great week.